Rasta Artiste got chopped over chicken joke? This is no flipping joke. Him lucky them never slit him throat. Well, my people reporting for you, it's Amaziyah the Great. I've got news for you like a hot fire state. Entertainer nearly lose him life, he make a narrow escape. But him explained how the opponent and chopped him with a machete. Cassandra White, aka Ancient Warrior, who reside in the parish of Linstead, St. Catherine, revealed the other day that on his return home, while entering his yard, a man started to diss him by approaching, joking, a begging piece of chicken.
The I run KFC in my yard. Why ask me for a piece of chicken, knowing that I am a Rastafarian? Styling thing because him know he's a Rasta and I am chicken.
Stated the artist. An argument developed between the two men. Ancient Warrior says the man started telling him whole heap about what, even tell him about his mother. So it has escalated to a stage where both men draped each other, fuming in a fiery rage, when the neighbor got between them and tell himself to behave. The entertainer said the man fled, threatening to go get his cutlass and come back and chop off him head. That's when he went for his machete too, because him decided say not dread not go dead. Round 1, fight.
After the man come back in my yard, him see me with my cutlass and pause. I tell myself say it never make any sense argue and fight because me have kids and me have a career to live for. So I start walk away. The next thing me hear my neighbor shout out the man name. And I look around and see the cutlass come down on me. So I sight. I saw the cutlass catch me on the shoulder and chop my head off.
Also stated that his attacker never did a laugh or a grin because he took another swing at him, but then he ran with his injured arm. Finish him. Jano Rasta, you could have gotten killed.
I was trying to run to the hospital, but I was bleeding so badly that I started to get weak. I ran to another of my neighbor and tell him say me are dead and he must carry me go to the hospital. Is the fire station ambulance took me to the Linstead Hospital.
Ancient Warrior said that he was later transported in another ambulance to the Spanish Town Hospital, where he spent 5 days. He underwent a shoulder operation. OMG! Just stay strong, my brother. That what you ever encountered with such a sad situation. Just get well and stay focused. Now make no locust come mess up your meditation. You have messages to read, to teach and be an inspiration. Anyway, my people, a report has been made to the Linstead Police Station. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel, Great Amaziyah. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want more. Hold on, wait 1 minute before you go. Check out my artist Mark Rast and tell me if you like his flow.
Burn the fire with meaning. I make the youth them get the healing. Me say the truth is revealing. Now keep it concealed. Give me ready, make me punch, make me tell them up front. Say no pull off, no stunt. The youths them are not done, so me cutlass never blunt. Gideon no confront. Rastaman dip on the ground, so the fire off the bun.
The URL in the description, it plays below. Tell them precisely.